I love wearing her perfume because it makes me think of her and my mom both, because my mom loved her fragrance. Come on in, Cheryl Benham. Good to see you. How are you? Dermelect. Great to see you.
So nice to see you.
Dermelect has won Best Nail Product 2 years in a row, 2023 and 2024, for our Customer Choice Beauty Award winner. You get all three products. What really was the kicker that everybody loved was the ridge filler, the Makeover Smoothing Ridge Filler. Then we also had the High Maintenance Instant Nail Thickener, and we also give you the Revital-Oil Nail and Cuticle Treatment. Somebody's been nibbling on that one, like using it, like every host, you know, is putting the oil on. But I will say you get all three bottles. The price should be $48. Our price, $29.98. This is for fingernails and toenails. What makes it so special?
Well, what we have here is a skincare approach to nails. We treat nails the way that we would treat maladies and problems in the skin. So if you have dry nails, if you have ridge nails, we will approach that dryness and that ridging the same way we would approach dryness or wrinkles in the face.
I see. And that means that what's in them is good for us.
Yes.
But also walk us through what each one does.
Yes, so
then I'll show you some before and afters.
So this is a 3-step easy system. These are all peptide infused treatments. And what you have here is our Makeover Smoothing Ridge Filler. This is our award winner Best Nail Product on QVC 2 years in a row, and that's your first step. It works like a concealer for your nails. So if you have discoloration, if you have ridges, if you have unsightliness, if you have, you know, just nails that you aren't proud of, this will conceal and camouflage any damage with this gorgeous pink hue, and then fortify your nails with skin-loving and nail-loving ingredients.
And by the way, this oil right here, you do have to shake up the bottle.
Yes.
But I'm telling you, I'm putting it on right now, just like every other host does, because we love it. Tell me about that too.
So the nail oil is unlike anything you'll see on the market because it's a dual phase formula. And what that means is that on the top, you have a water phase, and that water phase contains our signature protein peptide. That's going to strengthen your nails. But on the bottom, you're going to see a nourishing cuticle oil complex. So especially like this time of year when your nails are dry, flaky, brittle, you need the hydration to be restored to your nails. And in this before and after, you see the instant difference that this kit makes for your nails. Your nails will be taken from dull, from flaky, from weak to glowing, healthy, and strong.
Wait till you see this next one. I mean, this one, you say, I'll take that.
Yeah, it's literally a nail transformation where if you have nails that you know, you aren't proud of, that have changed over the years, that you're going through seasonal changes.
Right. Hormonal changes.
You don't have to wait to get beautiful nails. Makeover will make over your nails instantly, giving you a beautiful sheen, beautiful color, but then it will work to strengthen your nails over time.
Take a look at this video. We've got a video that we want to show you. Again, right there is the first step, the pink, because that's filling all those ridges.
Yes, if you have problems with ridges, it makes the nails unsightly. If you're putting color on after, it doesn't sit as nicely because it's like kind of like a rough surface.
Yeah.
Makeover smooths it out. You don't have to worry about any of that. And then you have 2 other steps that are going to give you salon quality, beautiful, healthy nails.
And stronger nails. That's the thing. It's so frustrating if you're trying to grow out your nails. You're seeing Colleen put on the makeover right now. The fact is, when you're trying to grow out your nails and you accidentally hit the drawer or the countertop or whatever.
We've all been there.
Yeah, and all of a sudden, bang, and it breaks, and you're like, rats.
Brittle nails.
You know? Yeah, it's brittle. This helps strengthen them. And then, now, here's the key. Right there, that's just the makeover.
That's just step 1, and
just
they look
step
beautiful.
They do. And then when you get to step 2, the strengthener, it adds like almost like a top coat to it. You don't really even have to put on color unless you
No.
want to.
This can serve as your color. Look at the transformation of
Yeah.
the nails right here. Colleen's
amazing.
nails look healthy. They look revitalized, high shine, glowing. These
Yeah.
are all hallmarks of a healthy, beautiful nail. And you don't have to wait. They're just going to get better over time with use. If you have gel and acrylic damage,
Yes.
if you have that remorse, you've taken off the artificial manicure,
Yeah.
and your nails are ravaged, this will help to restore your nails instantly.
And that's important. Now that's the first step. Now there's a second step. Go back to that second step that's clear in the bottle and tell me what that does. So we can wait for this to dry and then follow it with the clear.
Yes, so the second step is high maintenance. This is our instant thickening top coat. And what it does is it protects the life of your manicure, gives you a high gloss shine, so you don't have to worry about chipping. The longevity of this manicure, I got my nails done on a Monday, and on Saturday, people were still complimenting me on my nails, saying that
Wow.
they looked perfect.
See, that's amazing. Now, I just put that on top of my polish. It really doesn't make much difference, but I just put it on there just to show you. It just goes on easily. Now, you would let that totally dry.
Absolutely, yes.
And then follow with the oil, but you got to shake it up, okay?
You've got to shake it up because you
Shake,
want to
shake,
combine the phases.
Yes.
But you have here is a nourishing, revitalizing formula
Yeah.
that's going to take your nails back to long, strong, and healthy.
Yeah.
Especially this time of year.
Vitamin E, peptides, keratin, biotin, a protein peptide that's in there. What's not in this? Can we go back to that list of what's not in this? Because that's as important as what is in it.
I'm so happy you brought that
Yeah.
up because it's so important to communicate what we formulated without. We told you what's in it, skin loving and nail loving ingredients, but what's not in it is ingredients that are found in traditional nail care that are toxic.
Yeah.
This is a clean beauty,
Right.
10-free formula. So it doesn't have the normal ingredients you would find in nail care that could pose a harm to your health. I'm talking
Right.
about formaldehyde. I'm talking about toluene, TPP, things that you've probably never heard of. We've taken the due diligence to omit them from the formulas.
Right.
They perform, you don't have to compromise on efficacy. They will
Right.
be safe and they will drive results for you.
Do you do colors? Do you have colors on QVC?
So that's in the pipeline.
It's in the
hopefully-
pipeline.
Hopefully
Good.
for a holiday, yes.
Super.
Yes.
Because the other thing I was going to say, even if you have little girls,
Mm-hmm.
you know, start them with this.
Yes.
All right? Because the fact is that they're using the junk that's in the drugstore. And I say that because
Or the
they're
nail salon.
full of those formaldehydes and whatnot. So start them on this. It really makes a difference. This should be $48. It has won Best Nail Product for 2 years in a row, 2023, 2024. I would put $100 down in that. It will probably be nominated and win again this year. But anyway, it is that great. You get all 3 bottles for $29.98, and they last a long time because you don't need to use it all the time. I do it once a week if you want to. Thank you
Mary
so
Beth,
much.
you're the
I
best.
so appreciate
So
it.
nice
So
to
good to
see
see
you.
you too. In the meantime, guess what we have coming up? 9 a.m. on the East Coast. An entire hour of Love Who You Are with Kim Gravel. All of her beautiful cosmetics and her brand new first ever liquid foundation. You gotta see it. I've got it on in medium. Looks pretty good. All right, we'll be right back.